Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to clean your entire bathroom with just 1 or 2 of these dishwasher tablets. I have a bottle here filled with nothing but regular tap water. I'm going to unwrap this and shove it in my water here and let it dissolve. To start off, one of the things you can do here is actually drop one of these dishwasher tablets. Obviously you would open it and throw it in your toilet. From what I hear, it takes like forever to dissolve, so I'm not going to be doing that today, but that is one thing you can do. Pop it in there, clean the rest of your bathroom, let it dissolve, and then take a toilet brush and scrub your toilet as you normally would. That's a way you can scrub your toilet. However, like I said, I'm not going to do that today, but something you can do. I wouldn't recommend that for a regular cleaning. I'm sure there are things in here that are not good for your toilet pipe. I've seen this floating around the internet, so that's something you could definitely do. Here is our mixture with just water and 1 dishwasher tab. We have a couple little chunks there on the bottom, but for the most part, it is completely dissolved. With this, what you can do is use this and spray it on your faucets. This will shine them really well and also help get rid of some soap scum buildup. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray this. Just a regular old washcloth and a super quick polish. But you can also use this to wash off your sinks. If your kids are anything like mine, they get toothpaste in the sink every morning. This would be nice to keep under there and just spray off in the sink and really get rid of all those toothpaste smudges that those little kids love to fill the sink with. So I've got our dishwasher tab here. We're gonna go ahead and get this a little wet. Mine broke in half, but it's okay. It'll still do the job. You can take this whole dishwasher tab, bring it down into your bathtub. And this will help get rid of all of those soap scum marks, anything you have stuck. You can see it's pulling up the dirt. My bathtub's a little gross because we gave our dog a bath in it the other day. So there's definitely some chunks of mud and questionable things at the bottom of this tub. Also take this for right around the drain and really get in there. Or of course, if you want to clean your tub a little bit more the old-fashioned way and you don't want to mess with the dishwasher tab, you can just take your diluted stuff, spray it all down, grab your wipe of choice, I suppose, and just kind of scrub it down. The dishwasher tab specifically would work really well if you had any really hard water stains, like on your shower walls or on your faucets or different things like that. It would work really well because it is a little bit abrasive. It can really get in there and scrub. It's kind of like a wool or a wire wool brush, but it's not quite, it's not going to scratch your fixtures. So that'll work really well for that. But I have all these chunks in the bottom of my bathtub here, so I'm actually just going to rinse them out with my shower head. In your bathroom that you can actually wash with a dishwasher tab are your vents or even your vent hoods. If you have a vent up in your bathroom ceiling, you can also detach that and actually wash it in your dishwasher. Same with your vents, however, that can be a process. So our detergent here, we're gonna spray this down. Your wipe of choice and just scrub this down. The reason the dishwasher tabs work so well for so many different things is because there is a degreaser element in it. I'm currently working on a theory that you can use this solution to wipe down stove grates, the top of your stove, inside of your oven, your microwave. I'm gonna give that a try and see how that works. That's just my own little theory I'm currently working on. We'll see what happens. It's been about 20 minutes. My dishwasher tab still isn't quite dissolved, but I don't really want to wait anymore. So now I'm just going to scrub the toilet as I normally would. Just like that, you cleaned your whole bathroom with 2 dishwasher tabs. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and of course I'll see you guys in my next video.